Hello everyone, welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am bringing to you a Jord watch review and giveaway, as well as a Ross fashion try on and a dining room prep. Guys, I have partnered with Jord watches. They reached out to me to take a look at this beautiful, unique timepiece. Look at this beautiful box that it comes in. It's wooden, and by the way, the watches are wooden as well. That's what makes it so unique. This box here is gorgeous, and it comes as well with a cloth and oil, a wood oil to preserve your watch. Now here I am, I'm opening up the watch for the first time, and I could not believe how beautiful this watch is. Now guys, I'm gonna be honest, I am an Invicta girl, have been for some years. I love my Invicta watches, but when I saw this watch, it just blew me away. It is so pretty. Now I picked the Dover series watch with this dark wood, and then like look at the face. The face is gorgeous, but it is just beautiful. I love the way the watch fastens as well. Very beautiful. I'm very pleased with this watch. Now guys, information about the giveaway. This giveaway is open to all of my subscribers. All of my subscribers. So here is your opportunity to win this Jord timepiece. You have to click the link down below in my description box. You will have a entry form that you will need to fill out and submit. And Jord will actually select the winner. And you will be notified by email if you won. Now if you are interested in owning one of these unique timepieces, there will be a discount link in my description box as well. You will get $25 off by using Diva Designing on a Dime. They do have watches for men and women. Again, this watch, the look of this watch just blew me away. It is a beautiful, unique, if you love unique things, this is what this is. A beautiful, unique timepiece. Now guys, for my Ross fashion try-on, I needed a few more pieces for summer to get me through the end of the summer because it is oh so hot. So I went by Ross and picked up a few pieces, just like this dress here. This dress is flowy. I love it. Loose fitting. Love the V in the front. In the front is a boulder stripe, and in the back is striped also, but many stripes. Very pretty. And this dress was clearance to $6.99. Then I picked up these shoes. Very cute flats. You know what got me on this was that bling. These were $14.99. Then I picked up this yellow dress. I don't think I will wear it as a dress. I think I'm gonna put on some leggings with this. If I'm gonna stay in the house, I may keep this on as a dress. I'm a big gal. I am plus size. But this is a beautiful dress. It comes with a necklace, a gold necklace, and the sleeves on this dress has like a shoestring design on each sleeve. Very pretty. And the yellow caught my eye, guys. Now next, I'm questioning this outfit here. I wanted something different, and this is a dress / shorts jumper. I picked this one up because it was different, and then also hubby and I are taking a dinner cruise, and I thought this would be cute. I just may wear this one just for that dinner cruise only, and it was only $5.99. So hey, and I paired it with a polka dotted clutch. Now this next one, this blouse here, I did not hesitate on. When I saw it, it was beautiful. This pale pink top, I have it on with jeans here, but I would pair it with a dress slack or a skirt. Very beautiful bell sleeve, and I love how it is open up around the neck as well. Beautiful blouse, and I've paired it with my sister's jewelry, her bracelets, styled by Kiera. I will have her information in my description box as well. When I have my pink on, I do pair her bracelets with anything pink that I wear. And lastly, this beautiful blouse as well. I have it on with my ripped jeans. This blouse buttons down, it has a collar, and it ties midways there, and I love that it's long. The blouse is actually long, almost goes to my knees. Very beautiful blouse. It's sleeveless, cute, can be dressed up, it can be dressed down. I love it. This was $13.99. And now for my dining room prep. I am preparing to participate in a collab challenge on Saturday. So I am going to prep my dining room, giving it a little cleaning by dusting my table, wiping it down with this Swiffer polish here on my table, as well as removing my chairs and sweeping and mopping my floors. So I can be good to go when it's time to decorate my table. So guys, I hope you come back on Saturday to see this collab and challenge, as well as all the participants. I am so excited to be participating in it. And remember these red orchids that I picked up a couple of weeks ago from Home Goods? They will be featured in this collab. Well guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, when you subscribe to the channel, to click the notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.